Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika, the channel where we talk a lot about making money online as a creative person, as an artist. Well, in today's video, we're going to be talking about one secret website where you can make money online as a creative person, as an artist. Now, this website is a little bit different from the rest of the website that we have covered so far in our secret website series, and this is quite interesting. And I don't see many of the people actually using it to make money online, but I think that could be a new avenue, a new income stream that any digital creator or any creative person can incorporate and can make more money online. So without further ado, let's dive in. Before go park, consider clicking the like button, guys. I do really appreciate that. If you want more such video, consider subscribing, hit the bell icon. Whenever I'm gonna upload new videos, you're gonna get notified about it. Also, guys, you can support me and my channel on the Patreon. Recently, we have updated the Patreon from the February itself. I would be having a new stuffs in the Patreon. So they're gonna be a new email newsletter that I'm gonna be actually sending to all the creators who support me on the Patreon. That is the $10 tier. I'm gonna as a perk, and in that I'm gonna be sharing my tips and my personal strategies, and also what I'm working on my own business. Some little bit about behind the scenes stuff of me, what's working. Plus, I've also added a new design and new themes every single month to help you keep staying updated on your print-on-demand business and help you with the new niche ideas, new design ideas. And plus also the themes that are going to be popular in some of the months, and with the evergreen stuff and a lot of the new stuff are gonna be coming on my Patreon. And if you are a creative person looking forward to make money online, make sure to check it out. The link of my Patreon is in description box below. You could very well support me as well. Plus you're gonna get also content on the Patreon. The links are in description box below. And we do have some of the free content to help you make more money online. The links are in description box below. Anyway, guys, let's talk about this particular secret website. You might have heard about it or you may not, but let me know in the comment section below if you have heard about it. This website is makeship.com. It's a pretty amazing thing which I found in the online space, and I was quite intrigued by the type of the business concept or the business idea they have with respect to the makeship. Like makeship is actually helping you design your own plushies. When you're gonna land onto the homepage, you're gonna see designed by creators, fueled by fans, fun limited edition products made by your favorite creators. That means you could actually make these fun-based plushies. Like they have a lot of the different plushies, and people can actually fund your campaigns. It's kind of like a Kickstarter website, but not really Kickstarter, because on the Kickstarter you can actually decide your own perks, what are you going to provide as in the fun campaigns. But here you're actually funding your campaigns with giving the plushies to your supporters, and that's kind of like very intriguing and great way to make money. Like you could have a great cause to actually raise the fund, or simply you're selling these plushies to your creative people, to your audiences, and that could help you. Like if you are actually an illustrator or an artist or creative person, you have some kind of character you design or something like that, you could create your own plushie out of that creator and you could sell them. So you could explore the plushies. You could also explore the top campaigns. Then you could see what are the different programs that are happening on this particular website, what are the different campaigns that are live. You could verbal support them if you're interested in that. You could see the coming soon. You can join the community. What I think what I like about this particular website is actually helping you fund your campaign. So we're gonna be talking about a little bit about behind the scenes stuff, how it actually works, so you're gonna know what exactly is it and how it's gonna work for you. So a product platform for content creators, Makeship is a crowdfunding platform. Through collaborations with creators, we enable the design and creation of high quality limited edition custom products and experiences. We handle design, manufacturing, fulfillment, and customer service. So that's great. They're handling everything from designing to manufacturing to fulfillment to customer service. You just need to launch your campaign and promote it on social media, promote it among your followers, your subscribers, and when someone actually fund your campaign, you're gonna make money. So their values is like make ship happen, then make good, then make communities. That's a little bit about them, but how it's actually work. Let's talk about how it's actually work, because you would be thinking, okay, that's fine. I'm gonna have my own plushies and people can support me. How it's actually gonna work. So when we are gonna click over to the website, this is how it works. It's actually showing you limited edition, limited time, the funded campaigns. Like you could have a campaign for maybe for a couple of days, like a week or 15 days or a month, and people can support you by that. So campaign is a limited edition product designed by a creator. Campaigns launch every week and are available to support for a limited time. How campaigns work. We collaborate with each creator to design a unique product for their fans. We help creators access custom products that were never possible before makeship and supplement their ability to continue creating. Then we launch them. So they actually help you design them. Like they collaborate with each creators and they create that particular plushie depending on your own custom design where you want to give it to your customer or your subscribers or to the people who support you. So then you, after designing them, you're gonna launch your campaigns. So campaigns go live every week and are available for a limited time. So that means there is only a limited time they're gonna be live. If a campaign reaches the minimum order goal, we start production. If the minimum goal is not met, all the fans are refunded for their order. That's great. Like if you are actually placing a bid for maybe $1,000, okay. That's your minimum goal to reach to $1,000. And if you reach that goal, then they're gonna start producing your plushie and they're gonna deliver it to your customer, your followers, or the people who are supporting you in the campaign after that campaign ends. But if in case you reach your minimum goal, that means $1,000, for example, that means all the people who actually supported you in that particular campaign will gonna get their money back because that campaign didn't actually reach their minimum goal. So that's all about the minimum goal. So you can very well decide how many followers or subscribers or supporters you have, and then you can set the minimum goal for your campaigns for every single campaign, and you can make it live. And once it's live, people gonna be supporting you, and if you reach the minimum goal, then all the people who are supporting you will gonna get your plushies and they're gonna make it and ship it. But if it didn't reach, then probably all the people will gonna receive their money who actually funded your program or funded your campaign because you didn't reach the minimum goal. Once a campaign ends, we know exactly how many limited edition products to make. So that's, it's kind of like a print on demand or custom on demand, whatever we call it. They are making the products only when they know how many products they need to make and whom to ship. With thousands of orders for each campaign and high quality standard production takes 2 to 4 months to complete. So it's a pretty long time, 2 to 4 months to complete. Once the product is ready, we ship it directly to you. Shipping typically takes 7 to 15 business days, depending on the destination, country, and city. So that's the thing to notice here. You could very well see the other campaigns that are live on this particular platform, makeship.com. You can see the different campaigns that are live and you can see how it's actually being funded or what's funding or what's everything about it. You could also see that what is their sustainability program. That's great that they are only producing the product when there is a demand, when there only needs to be shipped to your customer. If you didn't reach minimum goal, that means there is no production of any particular product, and that means they're not gonna make it and not gonna ship it, and all the people are gonna get their money back. So that's kind of the stuff is there, and they are actually having a pretty sustainable stuff like 100 gram polyester plush toy. It takes this much of carbon, hydrocarbons, carbon dioxide emitted, energy, water. So they are also sustainability. They have the goal on sustainability. Like that's really important at the time when we are working with such companies. We need to know whether they are actually being sustainable or not. Then you could very well launch the campaign. You can get started with launching your campaign, turn your passion into a product. Developing high quality limited edition product for your fans has never been easier. Makeship will work with you to design, sell, promote, and manufacture a custom product created for you, for your fans. And the best part, it's low risk with no cost upfront. Custom collectibles for your fans. You could see the people who actually have 70K followers has sold around 1,500, like more than 1,500 plushies. You could see the people who are actually on the top on the list, and why choose us. You could see the financial support. You could see the low risk crowdfunding. Is it about this particular new website, the makeship.com, about designing your own plushies and funding your campaigns once you actually reach the minimum goal? That's a great way to actually fund your campaigns. But one thing you need to keep in mind about the commission rates, because I've checked their website, I didn't find out any commission rate, like how much profit margin you have as being an artist or a creator who is actually starting with these campaigns. So you need to very well contact the help center or talk with them or send them an email or something like that to know about the profit margin before actually working with them, because you need to know, since it's a physical product, they're gonna make they're gonna design it, they're gonna make it, then they're gonna do shipping and delivering to your customer, and everything needs to be taken care by them. So that means they're gonna take a cut from your funding campaign, right? They're gonna take cuts from that. But how much they're gonna take and how much is the profit margin, I didn't find on their website. So still something it's really unclear. But I see this is a great way you could proceed with that. You can contact them to know more about the details. I'm gonna leave the link of this particular website in the description box below. Make sure you check it out if you're really interested in knowing more about it, and if you're really interested in actually starting with your own campaign to fund your program or to fund your cause or whatever it is. But this one could be a great, and I think in the upcoming future years, this thing will gonna be rising, and more stuffs or more websites will gonna be coming up with this particular new options or new ideas, as since we are growing more online. And that could be a great and amazing opportunity to introduce a new income stream in your multiple income streams that you have in the online space. And that's my own very concept. Gonna conclude this video. So today's secret website is themakeship.com. It's not a marketplace to sell your work. It's kind of like a website or a company which actually help you launch your campaigns, to fund your campaigns or fund your program or fund your cause, whatever it is. And in return, they're gonna design and make your own plushie, and we're gonna deliver it to your customer. We're gonna handle the manufacturing, shipping, and delivery stuff to your customer. So that's a great way to make extra bucks or to make extra money, and also actually fund your campaigns and provide these cute plushies to your subscribers, to your followers, or the people who are actually supporting your campaign. So that's about the makeship.com. Hopefully you find this video useful. Let me know what you think in the comment section below, and also let me know, have you ever heard about the makeship.com? Did you ever used it, or did you ever actually funded any campaigns on this particular website? I would really love to hear from you in the comment section below, because this is something new. Okay, not many people are talking about it. Not many people are actually using it. So this is something new and interesting, and I'm really looking forward to hear from you if you have an experience with that. Let me know what you think, and if you have any video requests, please let me know in the comment section below, because I'm getting a couple of the video requests from you guys. And also guys, make sure to join my Discord free private server. The link is in the description box below. Please join it, because it's a free private Discord community that you can join. You can talk with the other people in the community. You can very well talk with me as well in the community. The link of this free private Discord community in the description box below. You can very well join it out. I'm gonna see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye guys.